to Rose Tinted and welcome to the cleanest part of our house right now. So basically, if you saw my last video, you'll know that I mentioned that we were planning to move into an unfurnished place at the end of February, and our plans have completely changed. So our plan originally was to move into an unfurnished place slightly further out in the countryside. Unfortunately, with the whole COVID-19 situation and another national lockdown happening, it's really difficult at the moment for us to view properties, to take our kids with us to view properties, which is a must for us. It's difficult for us to show our families the properties we're looking at. It's difficult to meet with landlords, that kind of thing, and it's just made it extremely difficult. On top of that, a lot of agencies are now asking for 2 to 3 months deposit upfront plus your first month's rent. So before going anywhere and before moving, you're actually paying out anywhere between £2,000 and £3,000 for the kind of house that we were looking for, and then your monthly rent on top of that. So it was sounding like a really expensive version of moving, and it wasn't something that we are willing to do at the moment. So we are very, very lucky to have been able to ask family to take us in for a couple of months as a family, all under one roof, for a couple of months to help us save up some money and to decide what we want to do property-wise. We're edging towards buying, but renting is still very much an option for us if we don't find the perfect property. So this video is essentially going to be a pack with me. I'm hoping to make it a series, but packing, especially with 2 small children, can get a little bit crazy, so we'll just have to see how that goes, but that is the plan. So today I'm going to be packing up the bedroom, and I'll show you what I've got to help out basically. So basically I've made 2 lists. So things that we are taking with us and things that we are putting into storage at my dad's for the time being. I then have some packing tape and some labels, because I'm actually going to colour these in and colour code each room so I know where everything's going. And then obviously I've got boxes, and I also have an Excel spreadsheet to list and make an inventory of all the things that we own so that we don't lose anything along the way. So that is what we're going to be doing today. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe, and without any further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so I think where I'm going to start is by packing all of the things that I know are not coming with us and are going to my dad's for storage. So I'm going to go around the room and grab everything that we're not taking with us. I'm going to put it on the bed, and then we're going to pack it so I know where it's going, what box it's going in, and what colour label needs to go on the box. Okay, so I've organised and taken down everything that needs to go. So these are all things that are going to my dad's for the house that we eventually move into. So we have some books, we've got these beautiful mugs I got for my Christmas, we've got some mirrors that we were gifted, I've got some mugs I got from my mum and stepdad that are beautiful, our bedside table lamps and our forest candle things, these glass mirrored candelabras, our bedside tables, the small shaggy rugs for the bed, cushions, throws, LED candles, because I have an idea for them. I've got a gold plate in the post for them, these little potted plant things, and then this was like plastic storage essentially. So I've got all of this now to fit into these boxes, so I'm gonna go and do that. I've also got some bubble wrap for like the glass things and what have you, so let's jump on with that. a bag of soft furnishings here, and then I had 2 boxes sitting here, which I don't actually know where they've gone. But basically, I packed up our bedside tables, our bedside lights, our little small rugs at the side of the bed, books, all of that kind of jazz. So this is our current situation, and I'm about to tackle this situation. So basically we don't need all of these clothes between now and moving. So I do what is known, what I call an essential bag, which is basically everything that we need between now and moving that is essential. So it reduces the amount of washing that we do, it reduces the amount of crap we have lying around the house, but it means that we still have options for clothing, etc. So I'm gonna look out our essential things, and then I'm gonna pack the rest of our clothing, toiletries, etc. I'll take you along. Let's go. So I have emptied the wardrobe of crap. So we've got shoes, underwear, socks and crap, my clothes, Spuggy's clothes, and there's still clothes that have to come through the wash. So let's start packing this crap up. everything for today's video. I would say I got about 98% of the bedroom packed up, and we managed to label everything and move everything that was in here that was packed through to the living room so that it's out of the way and we know where everything is being stored to go to each location, which is great. I think I'm done for the night. I'm ready for a hot bubble bath and perhaps a glass of gin. But if you did enjoy this video, then please don't forget to subscribe down below and also press the bell button so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video or a comment if you're interested in seeing my top 10 tips for moving house, because at this point, let me tell you, I'm a pro. So without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys go. But thank you very much, and until next time, me and my oily face. We'll see you later. Bye guys.